Why did you remove
The other, because according to our lesson, our teacher, handsome Sir Justice, if you remove the undermat, tubo na gano'n, that yung nutrients is madediretso siya pa gano'n. So wala siyang ibang competitors for that.
Why did you remove
Kasi may fruit siya dito. And yun, mapupunta sa fruit treatment. So para kung mapulungan to sir, yung effect ng gravity, it has a place.
Tinanggal niya yung mga linsoid din.
Bakit may naiwan pa?
Presentation purposes. Because one leaf won't make a difference. Isa,
Para ka mo rin.
Why did you not touch it here?
No?
because due to the material, it was hard, it will be hard to cut it. It's hard to make incisions. So we went to the top part kasi mas soft siya dito.
Okay.
Pero if ever na may materials tayo mas better, okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you going to cut here or not?
Depende